Pamela Nauta, your Metro Denver real estate agent, and I am here at the Red Maple Ridge at Copperleaf in Aurora, Colorado, and there are about 40 Cityscape homes available in this development. And today we are going to check out the Richmond Homes Devoe model. And this is a 3-story single-family house that has alley-low 2-car garage, a beautiful rooftop patio, and has an office space downstairs when you walk into the main front door. There are also some structural options to choose from, but overall, you are looking at around 1,800 square feet with 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a study. And Richmond Homes is releasing a few homes every month. So if you are interested, reach out to me now and let's start the conversation of building your new home at Red Maple Ridge at Copperleaf. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and like, subscribe, and comment. Enjoy the tour.